Hello friends, welcome to the presentation Human Skeleton System created by Atharva Dhuman and Harshvardhan Patil. Information about human skeleton. The human skeleton is the internal framework of the body. It is composed of around 270 bones at birth. This total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood after some bones have fused together. The bone's mass in the skeleton reaches maximum density around age 21. The human skeleton can be divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton. It contains the given elements from top to bottom. Skull including the bones of the skull, face and ears. Hyoid neck bones for attachment of the muscles of the chin. Appendicular skeleton. It contains elements from top to bottom. Girdle, hood, shoulder, clavicle and scapula. Top limb containing arm, forearm and hand bones. Girdle including hip and hip bone. Underlimb includes leg and foot bones. Bones classification on the basis of shape and size. Human skeleton system bones are divided into 4 different groups depending on their size and shape. There are irregular bones, long bones, short bones and flat bones. Rib cage. The rib cage is also known as the thoracic cage, is a bony and cartilaginous structure which surrounds the thoracic cavity and supports the pectoral girdle, forming a core portion of the human skeleton.
The skull. The skull is a bony structure that forms the head in most vertebrates. It supports the structure of the face and provides a protective cavity for the brain. The skull is composed of 2 parts, the cranium and the mandible. The spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long cylinder of nerves that runs from the base of your brain through the vertebral canal through the backbone. It is part of central nervous system along with the brain. It is divided into different segments. Each segment contains a pair of root made up of nerve fibers. Hip bone or pelvic bone. The hip bone is a large irregular bone constricted in the center and expands above and below. In some vertebrates, it is composed of 3 parts. The pelvic region of the trunk includes the bony pelvis, the pelvic cavity, the pelvic floor, below the pelvic cavity and the perineum, below the pelvic floor. Femur or thigh bone. The thigh bone is the most proximal bone of the leg. By the most measure, the femur is the strongest bone in the body. The femur is also the longest bone in the body. It is the only bone located within the human thigh. Human skeleton system. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.